Hey guys, this is my scrumptious caramel apple bundt cake. It's so moist, so rich. It is one of my favorite cakes, and today I'm going to share how I make it. As always, the full written recipe will be in the description box. Make sure you prepare all your ingredients before you start. Start by adding all the dry ingredients into one bowl. Use a whisk and just mix it all together well, and then set it aside. Pour the vanilla in with the eggs, and just lightly mix it together, and set it aside. Now add the sugars and the oil to a mixing bowl, and just mix it until it's combined. Don't forget to scrape down the sides to make sure everything is mixed well. The next step is to add in the egg and vanilla mixture. Once it's well mixed, now you can start to add the dry ingredients. The last step now is to add in the apples and the nuts. Now it's time to add the mixture to your pan. Make sure that you grease the pan well. Bake this at 350 for about 1 hour. Let the cake cool for at least 20 minutes before trying to remove it from the pan. While the cake is cooling, make my easy caramel sauce. Melt the butter, add the brown sugar, and mix. Let that cook for 2 minutes on low. And now add the cream. Mix it and let it cook for another 2 minutes on medium. After 2 minutes, turn the heat off and let it sit. The longer it sits, the thicker it'll get. Now that the cake has cooled a little bit, go ahead and start to poke some holes on the top. We want all that caramel sauce to get inside this cake. Now pour on that delicious caramel sauce. This cake is insanely good. I hope you give this one a try. Thanks for watching.